days of the week. When I say a day, you say it with me. Ready? Let's go! Sunday, Sunday, and you say it with me. Monday, Monday, say easy. Monday, Tuesday, say it loud. Wednesday, Wednesday, good job. Thursday, Thursday, keep it going. Thursday, Thursday, keep it going. Thursday, Friday, almost there. Friday, Saturday, hey, we did it. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the week is done. Let's say them one by one. Sunday, the first day, Monday, school starts, hooray, hooray. Tuesday, time to play, play. Wednesday, halfway, halfway. Thursday, getting near, near. Friday, cheer, 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 cheer. Saturday, fun is here, here. Clap your hands and sing along. Let's dance to the days of the week song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, yay. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, hooray. Saturdays for fun and play. Great job, everyone. Now you know the days of the week. Let's say them one more time. Can you say it with me?